Hello everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, faculty of BBA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, going to deliver a lecture on Introduction and Definition of Management. Although management as a discipline is more than 80 years old, there is no common agreement among its experts and practitioners about its precise definition. Many experts have tried to define management, but no definition of management has been universally accepted. Let's discuss some of the leading definitions of management. First of all, I would like to say that management means managing a man. Management comprises of managing all the resources of management, including human resources, including technical, including physical resources, and so many. Henry Fayol says to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to compound, to coordinate, and to control. According to Harold Kuhn's, management is an art of getting things done through and within the formally organized group. According to the Ralph C. Davis, management is the function of executive leadership anywhere. To conclude, we can say that various definitions of management do not run contrary to one another. So we can say at last that management is the art of getting things done from and within the others. So I hope that you have understood the topic, Introduction and Definition of Management. Thank you very much.